Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can report a Pinterest profile for copying a trademark. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now tap on the search icon. After that, search for the Pinterest profile you want to report. Tap any of the pins from them and then select the profile picture to open the profile. After that, tap on the three dots icon beside the follow button and then select report. Now, select the My Intellectual Property button and then tap on Report content you believe infringes a trademark. Now, fill the form and finally tap on the Submit button, and that's it. This is how you can report your Pinterest profile for copying your trademark.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.